Untuk bikin kalau tadi kita ngobrolin soal sejarahnya Ingleton Army dan bagaimana kedua orang hipster ini menyukai Newcastle United. Kan kita ngomongin soal prospek Newcastle United di Premier League musim ini. Musim lalu kita tahu finish di peringkat 5, tapi nggak dapat Champions League karena memang dia cuma 4 saja lain sebenarnya gitu. Tapi gue nggak ngarap-ngarap tuh Newcastle masuk Champions League karena it's always good gitu kan kalau ada klub non tradisional gitu masuk Champions League. Nah musim ini in general menurut lo gimana Newcastle? Karena ada second season syndrome gitu nggak sih, musim lalu jago sekarang udah mulai habis.
Gimana ya? Mungkin kayak gitu juga. Cuman ya karena squadnya, kalau personally buat gue pribadi squad yang saat ini tipis. Karena si ownernya karena selisih 2 juta pound nggak jadi beli Debuchy. Ya gitu-gitu deh. Gimana tuh? Season ini?
Wah, kalau lu nanya gue tuh udah Jordan. Tiap musim gue selalu berharap menang. Apapun situasi dan kondisinya.
Masa nggak ada pemain juga?
Iya, tapi gue memang begitu. Dari tahun kapan juga, tiap tahun gue selalu harapnya juara. Bener kan? Tapi secara realistis sih, gue melihat statistik, melihat situasi pemain, kemudian kondisi pemain ke manajemen manajemennya si Pardew. I think we have a good chances untuk at least to stay at the Europa League spot. Cuman, there's a certain ambition that I like gitu yang dikemukakan oleh Pardew gitu. We're gonna focus on to go to grab the Champions League spot. Dan dia ya kalau gua mendengar seperti itu berarti kemudian mungkin menomorduakan Europa League.
Okay.
That means focusing on the league itself. Cuman memang betul sih untuk secara depth of squad itu kita memang sangat kurang karena see what happens when kemarin deh kiper tim Klose cedera, Rob Elliott cedera, kemudian we turn back to Harper, bahkan oleh Soderbergh yang dari youth dijadiin sebagai substitute untuk di bench gitu. Jadi memang betul-betul seperti itu dan begitupun di defense yang kita agak kurang karena cuma basically kita cuma punya andalan.
But what I really like from Newcastle United is ada kayak semacam toughness gitu, like Cole Chini, Stephen Taylor, Chick Tiote gitu kan. Itu kayak that toughness itu yang menurut gue jadi salah satu foundation yang berpengaruh juga musim lalu gitu. Nah, musim lalu di tengah musim Stephen Taylor cedera lama gitu. Lalu mulai agak goyang itu pertahanan. Menurut lo apakah toughness itu masih ada musim ini?
Masih ada, cuman kalau pemain sekalinya kena cedera dia apalagi di ankle ya, itu akan impactnya nggak akan hilang. Kalaupun pulih nggak akan pulih seperti sedia kala gitu. Jadi ya emang butuh pelapis. Cuman ya optimis aja deh atas gimana?
Iya, it's a problem sih untuk misalnya cedera. It's been the replacement like Williamson and James Bridge doing pretty well as a replacement, but they couldn't be as good as Cole and Taylor in my opinion. Tapi yeah, I agree with what you said before about the toughness, the characters of the players, and somehow it molds into the dressing room itself. People, the likes of Colochi, the likes of even Gutierrez, Stephen Taylor, they always show to when on the field they always show hard work and never give up spirit. Dan itu sedikit banyak memang berpengaruh karena it's like never say die. It's like even if it's, and that's what we as a fan, as a supporter would really like to see. Even if we're losing, I mean, to see that like it's not 90 minutes. You just give it a go, keep on running, keep on tackling, keep on having a shot. That's what we like to see basically. And we for most part of this the season we have seen that, although sometimes it's been
Shaky.
yeah, but
From a die-hard player, lahir die-hard fans.
yeah, dan tapi ada especially about Coloccini I really like is when we were relegated, dia ada suatu quote yang gue baca, dia bilang kurang lebih seperti ini, in Argentina if we go down together we go back up together. So that's what I really like. Some players they say they would stay and in the end they leave. In Coloccini he didn't say anything, and then he just played in the championship and we got back in the Premier League, and then he spoke. That's something, one of the characters that built the foundation of the Newcastle team today. It is the spirit of players like that.
You will let him save your life?
Huh? I don't have a wife. If I do, I might not. But I don't have a wife.
Ya, dan ini pas dulu untuk ngomongin Newcastle, tapi kan ngomongin soal transfer policy-nya gitu. Karena Newcastle yang unik, lo bisa dapat pemain-pemain yang lo nggak pikir gitu bisa mendarat di situ. Contoh aja kayak Hatem Ben Arfa gitu kan, itu bisa mendarat itu hebat. Terus kayak David Sutton karirnya revive gitu di Newcastle gitu kan. Mungkin lo bisa mention sedikit soal gimana kehebatan Newcastle
Untuk transfer
market.
Kalau lo suka FM, lo pasti akan main Newcastle. Graham kan adalah satu-satunya squad yang dengan perpanjangan 8 tahun 8-year kontrak, dan di mana dia jadi headline pas dia ditawarin 48 tahun. Salah satunya squad manager Inggris.
Yeah, Graham Carr plays a big role in the transfer policy.
Jadi bisa dapat Johan Kabay,
Johan
harga
Kabay,
murah,
Chip
Tiote, dia babak pemain yang katanya injury prone gitu kan bisa.
Yeah, it's all down. I guess it's all down to the scouting of Graham Carr. But we have to give him credit because the limitation of the budget as well gives you little space to.
Perky like Ashley.
Yeah, Cockney Bastard.
Debuchy itu dia nggak dilepas secara gampang karena musim sebelumnya dia udah kecolongan Kabay.
Kabay, 4, 5,
Yeah, 5.
Iya, itu keren banget. Oke, kalau bisa ngasih satu kalimat soal how will Newcastle United do this season from each of you.
I hope European. In one word is European.
Oh, enggak dulu loh, Champions League atau Europa League. Yang penting ada Europa League.
Yang penting we go to Italy.
Oh, you never seen a Markham in Milan. Oh, well, we gotta win fuck all. We gotta win fuck all again, but we still follow United.
We don't care about Ashley.
We don't
They don't care about us.
We don't care about us. All we care about is NUFC.
Gila ya kalau emang ngobrol-ngobrol fans club yang agak
Hipster,
man, keren.
Himpunan.
Thank you for your time. Awesome talk. That's it, Waktu Bola Total for today. Jangan lupa klik bola.com dan follow di Twitter @bola_total. What do you say goodbye in Newcastle?
Anyway,
How are you, lads?
How are you, lads?
how are the lads? All right, how are the lads?